Harmony and welcome back to my channel. So today I got a huge package from Rose Gal and I am seriously shocked at how much squishies they gave us to review because there's so much. So if you haven't heard of Rose Gal before, they are basically an online China-based company that sells tons of stuff. So this company sells anything from clothing to like electronics to toys such as fidget spinners and squishies. I will link all the items I got down below, so make sure you go check that out in my description box. So now let's get on with the package. Okay guys, so this is everything in the package that we got from Rose Gal, and there's so much squishies, so I'm just gonna pick out of the box. So the first ones I picked out are these aunts and buns. So there's a green one, a yellow one, and a orange one, and they also do come with a ball chain. I can like see it right there. I'm gonna squish in the packaging first, and I'll just squish one because they're technically the same. Okay, and it has a yellow ball chain right here. Whoa. It smells like a bread, like a normal squishy would smell like. Okay, so the next one is this jumbo chicken leg. So it's a pink berry jumbo. It's like the size of my head. And this doesn't say the maker. All it says is jumbo squishy, so I don't know. But it says do not eat right here. So do not eat it. So I'm going to squeeze in the packaging. Wow. That looks very slow rising, so let's take it out. I really love the packaging, how it's like a pink theme. Oh my gosh. It's so soft. Whoa, it has like a glossy, like a layer. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. It's literally the size of my face. It's so soft and so fun to squeeze. Okay guys, so the next one is this bunny, the steam bun bunny. And you see got like leaf ears and a leaf tail, which is very creative. And its face is right here. You can't really see it because that sticker's there. So I'm going to squish it in this like plastic wrap first. Whoa. So I'm going to take it out now. Oh. Oh, it's super smooth. Oh, so cute, the eyes. Oh, it feels so fluffy and like light and whoa. It's so soft. And then it has the keychain holder on the butt. Oh my gosh. It's a cat hamburger! Oh, it's crystallized. This is made by Sanqui Ilan, right here. And I think I pronounced that right, but I'm not really sure. Oh my gosh, the packaging on the back, it's just like a bunny that has like all the food. And it says, I just need cat hamburger. It says do not eat on the back right here. Made in China. Oh my gosh. The packaging is so funny. There's like little comics. So I'm gonna squish it. And then I'm gonna take it out. Oh, it's so soft. You can kind of like hear it, the air coming out. Whoa. That's really slow rising, and it's so cute. And it actually smells like bread, like a bakery. Like it smells like a bakery. Okay, so the next item I picked out is this cake, and it has like nuts on top. And it's a rainbow cake, so it's layered with all this rainbow frosting. And so I'm gonna squish it. Whoa. And of course it says do not eat, and this one's also the same as the chicken leg. It says Jumbo Squishy in the back and the front. Whoa. Whoa. It feels so cool on top. It's a bit rough though. Oh my gosh, the bottom is so slow rising. Ooh, it looks good to eat. Oh my gosh. It's a slice of cake with a bear on top of it, and I think he's like holding a leaf or something. I'm not really sure what he's holding. Oh my gosh. All of these are so slow rising. Oh my gosh, that's so soft. I'm gonna take it out. So here is like this pink bear, and I think there was like different color bears you can get and cakes. Wow. And it doesn't really smell like anything, but it's super cute. And like I might bring this to my school just to like fidget with. Oh, so this next one is this dolphin wizard. Has a wizard hat on. He looks excited. This first day of Hogwarts. His eyes are so big. Ooh, that's slow rising. Oh, I like his hat. It has like a moon on it and some stars. It's a Harry Potter dolphin. So next we got this giant bun right here. And we do have a pink version of it. We got it in like our first video ever. So make sure you go check out that. It's kind of cringy though. So this is like very slow rising. And it's made by it is a Jumbo Squishy. I don't know if it's made by it. But I'm going to open it up and see how it feels because it looks huge. Wow. It's so big. Okay, let me put that over there. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. So it's like, it feels like really fluffy. So next one is this owl right here. So we should add the packaging now. Ooh. It kind of smells like a sweet bakery. Like a light sweet scent. And it's very squishy. I really love this one. And I really like the patterns on it. Super cute. Okay, so next we have this pink gourd right here. And his face is being covered by the sticker. But he is slow rising. So let's take him out. And he's a bit like, he's still a little sticky. Oh, it kind of smells like a mochi kind of. And I like how the tip is like just goes up like one of those ice creams. So next is this cow donut, I guess. So I'm gonna take him out. So here's what he looks like. He looks super silly. Oh. And he has like the horns. And then he has like, his eyes are really silly. And he also smells like a mochi. Next we got these 3 donuts. This one's a chocolate, and this one's a blue one, and then this one's a orange one, and they have sprinkles on them. So I'm just gonna show you guys one of them because they're all the same. So here's this donut. It kind of reminds me of the donut from Michael's. But I'm gonna open it up. Oh, it feels super soft. Wow. I don't really smell anything. But like, here's the chocolate frosting. The chocolate frosting is not squishy though. But it's still super cute, and it has like a keychain which you can hang on your backpack or a purse. Okay, so this next one is this cake right here. And it has a magnet on the bottom so you can stick it onto like a metal. And on top there's a strawberry. There's some strawberries right there. So I'm going to show you guys how squishy it is. And then, so, let's try to stick it on right here. Oh, there we go. Here. So it actually does stick. Oh, okay, so next I got this jumbo elephant right here. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. It even has like a flower crown there. Oh my goodness, that's very slow rising. Oh my goodness, and it has like a little tail with the bow right there. So it's very squishy. And I really love like the details on it with all the flowers. Very cute. And the elephant is pink, which is super cute. I really love this elephant. So next we got this fish right here. And his eyes look very real. Kind of creeping me out. But it's like a dense squishy. And it looks really realistic. Like, I think I can scare Grandma Hall with this maybe. Like maybe put it on the bed and then she'll wake up to this. It's laying next to her. Like pretty squishy. Okay, so next is this cake right here, and this one is really slow rising. I kept playing with it. So it has some sprinkles on it and or 2 strawberries. And I really like how they made it like the frosting is drooping down. So I'm gonna open it up now. This looks so detailed. Wow, this is super soft and super slow rising. And it smells like a light sweet scent. And the bottom is pink. Okay, so next I got this like bear chef. And this one's a green one. I think you can get different colors. Like maybe pink or blue. Yeah, they are. Oh my gosh, he's holding a little cake right there. I didn't realize that. The cake is so small. And it's super squishy, and he has like a little tear right here. This looks like a chocolate mint bear. Very, very squishy and super slow rising. Okay, so the next one is this cupcake right here. It's super cute. The face kind of reminds me of a Shopkin, maybe. top is really detailed and it looks very delicious. And so I'm gonna open it now. Oh yeah, it does look like a Shopkin. So it has like all kinds of fruits on it. Very cute. It smells like when you walk into a bakery. Okay guys, so finally the last item is this extrusion bean. It says it right there. And so this reminds me of like an edamame you get from the sushi places. So let's open it up and see what kind of beans we get, because it does say right here you can get like different kinds. So all you have to do is just like pop them out like with your finger and then they'll pop out. It even has like a holder, like a keychain holder. So I don't think this one has a face. Oh wait, they do have faces. So this one's like a dizzy one. And then this one, let me try to get it up. Oh wait, it's only the middle one that has it, that's why. Because it says on here, extrusion middle bean to be able to appear the lucky mark. Right here. So I guess it only appears in the middle. And I got a dizzy one. And I think they're dogs. Okay guys, so that is it for this video, and thank you so much Rose Scout for sending us this awesome humongous package. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below what you guys want us to do in the next video. Bye!